the piss corner.
What are we doing today?
We are recording drums. The sound layer spontaneously. We found a couple days ago. It's pretty freaking dope.
Dope.
It's happening, man.
That's what's going on.
Happening.
Floppy.
Where the fuck
You
did
didn't notice his car was
He went to go get money.
Beasties.
He went to go get money
Fuck
from the
that,
ATM. That's what he told me.
I went to go get bitches. What if he just hit his car right there? That would have hurt
Fall
so
over
bad.
with it.
Remember with the old lady face?
We kind of need to leave now.
Yeah, you're really hyper on camera, so let's go to the studio.
I want Starbucks.
I don't know what time it is.
You specifically fucking told me don't show up a minute early, and then we're 20 minutes early.
Should we just go somewhere?
How long you been filming?
He's just like every now and then.
We
Yeah.
filmed pulling into the
filmed like
driveway.
once in the car.
Like Elijah's not even here.
What?
Elijah's not even here.
Why are we here? We could've got food.
We'll get food.
The boy needs to eat.
Hungry.
Let's not.
He's hungry.
Who's starving?
Why'd you wave at him?
He looked friendly.
He looked nice, guys. He went first, didn't
He looked rich, so like if he ever we didn't even need help, just hey, I
I
remember
mean,
those
like
kids.
so many
Roll
big bands have been here, probably. Or
No,
good
it's
bands.
like it's
Whitechapel,
been
man.
Have they recorded
Yeah.
this somewhere?
It's no bigger. It's smaller than the houses my dad built. That's what's like. It's just like oh okay. It's just a cool house though. There's a garden. You see the garden?
There's a.
It's as if you're here with us. It's as if you were never gone.
He's in that chair.
I'm your conscience.
None of you guys brought M&Ms, did you?
I brought M&Ms, actually.
Well, that's
Why?
the you owe a debt to that man.
Pay the,
Pay the toll.
pay the boatman.
Yeah, he's the boat.
They're pretzel.
No! Damn it, no!
Dang it! I'm sorry.
Here's some life advice. When someone asks for something, don't get the version that has something extra in it. I made you cookies with nuts in them.
No.
You might as well.
I made you some chocolate. I made you some
Did you have
chocolate
a
chip
bad
raisin
experience
cookies.
with pretzel
No,
M&Ms?
I only prefer original, regular, plain M&Ms.
I thought the birthday cake
Damn.
ones
The
were-
birthday cake ones are about the only other kind I like. I don't even like the dark chocolate M&Ms.
Cameron
It's
has
just-
evolved.
It's two
Dark
different
chocolate
words.
sucks.
It's actually healthier for you than
We
milk
hear
chocolate,
him,
but just
but we
the
cannot
taste
see
of
him.
regular M's is my favorite.
What would you do if I gave you the mini M&Ms?
Minis are good. Those are regular M's.
You can fit.
But
more
they're
than
extra
that.
small. For
Meanwhile, on the
They
TV.
look funny, man. That makes me look weird. Or the jumbo M's. They have some mega M's over at Kroger. They're like the size of quarters.
Oh God.
Purely
I bet that ended with you
like
passing
energy or
out.
something.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
that. It's evolved to pure energy. That's what.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
behaving with
What
the
is that
chocolate
called?
lately. Let's
Ghost?
see. These are over.
Sure, he's a ghost.
He's a ghost?
Drag over. Look at the front here.
How'd that one?
You know what you're getting is you're getting a little sympathetic hat sizzle just because the hats are somewhat loose, and you're probably not. Are you stepping on it?
No, I'm not.
If you were to just track the intro, just the toms, and step on the hat or just unscrew it, and it will do a take of just that. That will keep that sizzling from happening. You're not going to want that in the recording.
You gotta go back up there. You had fun.
You can do some stuff again.
I guess we're doing it. Are we gonna do this song again?
No, just the front of it.
Okay.
Just the front of it. He's going to step on the hi-hat. So do you hear it sizzling?
Yeah. Okay.
It's sizzling in the background there.
Okay. Cool.
Anything that seems small in the tracking stage becomes more at the mix stage because of compression and limiting, and that hat sizzle will come forward, and you don't want that. So the best way to preclude it is just get rid of it. It's fine.
Got you.
Stepping on the hat. the feet in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But not quick enough. The feet aren't on a downbeat, they're the pickup to the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, da, da, da.
On 2?
They're not on a 2, they're between 2 and 3.
Alright.
The snare is what you have to feel as a downbeat. That's why I was saying the snare is more important. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, snare, snare.
Yeah.
Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, snare, snare.
Alright.
Try it again. Too fast. Too fast.
Like fucking.
Fuck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, da, da, da. Yep. There you go. That's closer, yeah. Hey! Now if you can feel it that way every time, that's what's up.
Quick fucking
That's
dance.
what's up.
That's what's up.
He's fucking dancing.
Okay, we're at the top. You start. Snare, snare, pattern one note. Kick, 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 Try putting it all together. What you don't want to do is turn it into 8 triplets like da 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 da. You gotta put them more close to one another. When that part starts up.
Yeah.
See this leading goes. You can hit the first kick to start it, but then nothing. Just
Yes. Yeah, so just work that
this
in.
hats and snare. It's upper body only.
Alright, man.
And then when it cycles around, same thing. Leave them out. Do you think you can do that next part, or do you want me to leave that out also?
Huh.
Let's go ahead
You guys
and leave
making
it out.